When people start to lose that hair, they feel that they're losing their identity, they feel not attractive, and it kind of takes a toll inside of you. Okay, so one thing I notice with hair loss is that people just wait way too long to take action. Hair loss will not get better if you don't do anything. Hello, my icons. Mwah. I hope everyone is doing fantastic today. I'm very excited to be sponsored and to be collaborating with the brand iRESTORE once again. I have been obsessed with this product, and I gotta tell you, my hubby has been obsessed as well. Just saying that now I have to share this helmet and I have to literally hide it in my studio because I need to use it and he keeps stealing it. Like, come on, dude, get your own. So the moment literally you see any hair missing from your scalp, especially when you shower and you see hair falling, or when you're brushing your hair, that's kind of like the first signs. And that happens through age, stress, could be the water, could be so many things. It could be a number of reasons. But most of the time can be obviously genetics as well. It's your own call. At the end of the day, I just wanted to give you some information about this. And if you are starting to see that hair loss, if you do not feel confident and if you feel something is kind of missing from your life, if you have any fears, you need to take action because it's going to actually get worse. I'm sorry. Hair loss will not get better if you don't do anything. Very few cases, they just take care of itself because it can be a hormonal imbalance. But those are very few cases. Most of the time is people don't do anything. They wait until, oh my gosh, years later where that follicle, it is literally dead. And then to awaken the dead, I don't know, but it's very, very hard. Start doing your research today and commit to a treatment or a set of products that actually is going to help you. And the reason why that it has worked for me for my routine is that literally I can wear it anywhere around the house when I'm editing my videos, when I'm watching TV or planning content. And it really saved me a lot of time. So I don't have to literally set time aside to use this. Now, a quick personal update. You have seen my Instagram pictures and my recent videos. Totally bald-headed, shaved my head 4 days ago, and you can see my hair used to grow fairly okay before, but never like this. So blessings came with the partnership with iRESTORE. I saw the helmet. It is viral with you guys. I saw it on TikTok, Instagram, all over. And it's like, that's a very interesting concept. But in my mind, I was like, who has time to sit down for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes on a couch to do the treatment and then you can move? Well, luckily, they do have a battery pack that you can literally take it to your office to work. I don't know. If you work from home, even better. You can actually work from home, do your computer work, have it on. That's great. Kidding you guys. This, you can walk anywhere with it and it is just amazing. Really, I can be anywhere. Hold on. Just put it right on the side in here. It's like a magnet. It's attached there, so don't hit it too hard because the battery will come out. It has a clipper, one of those old-fashioned beepers. Remember those if you're old like me? It is easy to use. And one thing that I like about it too, it is medical grade. This is developed by scientists. It's developed by people that they know what they're doing. So at least I put my trust to a company that they know what they're doing. This is the research. It takes so many people, a team of experts to really design this, to really decide how many of those lights are going to be built into this. So again, obviously, this is not invasive. It is FDA cleared, which it is very important. Anything that you buy online relating to beauty products, skincare products, anything that it is for your health that goes in your body, make sure that it has the right certifications. That's definitely a must. Okay, so I wanted to show you how easy it is to use. So you will see the power button in here. You press automatically, it's gonna be set for 12 minutes. That's all you got to do. 12 minutes a day, no more, okay? Only once a day. By the way, you can see where you're gonna charge the product. So here's the thing, this is a battery pack. You can charge a battery pack from here. If you decide that you don't want to use a battery for whatever reason, you don't need it, you can still use a device connected from here to the actual to the wall, to the outlet. So you have the option of both. Okay, so you turn it on, but it is not turned on. It's not on yet, as you can see. Then the front, of course, the brand is gonna be on the front. You go like that. It has some padding. It's not hard at all. It's not uncomfortable. It feels actually pretty good. Then you hit there. It's like the play button, and it should be on. Yep. There we go. You see, it is on right in there. So you do your treatment. You go throughout your day with your battery pack and do your stuff. And it's not warm. Really, it doesn't get too warm or hot or anything, and it doesn't hurt. Very important, don't use this on wet hair. Make sure that your scalp is dry, that you have no products, no gel, no hairspray, any of that. Okay, so obviously you're not going to look at the lights directly. So if for any reason you take it off and the lights are on, don't stare at them. Not recommended, and you would hurt your eyes. So this is a very, very potent strong LED light, so please don't do that. Don't look at the light. Also, obviously, don't go in the bathtub while you're using this. It is an electronic, so don't go in a pool. I know I've been tempted, trust me, but come on, don't do that. No bathtub, no pool, no nothing. And I will not even do it sitting in the sun either. Just do it indoors. Just be safe. You know that hair grows in cycles. This means that you're not gonna wear the helmet one day and all of a sudden you are going to wake up with a full head of hair. It doesn't work that way. So commitment, it is essential. So if you're not committed to literally do this on a daily basis or every other day on a schedule for a few months, this product is not for you. And I don't want that you invest your heart and money on something that you're not going to use. And that remains true with any skincare products, that it is true for pretty much anything that it is considered a treatment. It's like when you're sick and the doctor tells you you need to take this medication for X amount of time, don't expect that one pill is going to heal you immediately. It just doesn't work that way. Think about like going to the gym. You go into the gym to gain muscle, lose weight, and so forth, right? In the first week, I started to see some hair growth. Pretty good, actually, but not a big difference. 2-3 weeks after using this, oh, okay, now my hair is growing again. Like, now I see more. Okay, that's a little bit faster than it was before. Let me shave it again.
Out of the washing machine because I didn't want to wash it and make everything pink.
Oh, I pre-wash it before I put it in water and soaked it, and I squeeze it and all of that to take away the excess of the...
And when you did that, did anything come out?
Yeah.
So I'm not going to, if we put it in the laundry.
Oh, I thought that wouldn't get rid of
one time? No.
Not, I mean, for a few minutes, I was like,
yeah. I could have separate. I don't want to run the risk. We put it in there, everything turns pink.
And I was like, let me go back to the iRESTORE because I want to see how this really keeps going. Put it back on, started my treatment again, did it for a few weeks, and then all of a sudden, boom, hair starting to grow way, way, way quicker. It's like, this is fun. So welcome here to my kitchen. This is what I do every single day to kind of stay healthy, to stay strong, mentally focused. And what I like about it too, it is that this protein shake holds me out, so I don't need lunch at all. All right, so first of all, in a blender, I already put some cubes of ice. I'm going to add a banana. Banana has a lot of potassium. Also is good for energy, by the way. Can full of strawberries. That's that, and now let's blend. This is gonna make you glow like a true icon. Then I keep doing the treatment, keep shaving, and then I was like, holy moly, I am shaving in the morning when I wake up, and then at night when my husband actually I sat down to watch TV, he was like doing this to my head. I was like, wait a minute, I saw you shave this morning and it was smooth. Why all of a sudden your scalp feels like little needles? Like it feels like, what is this? And I'm like, I don't know. It was smooth and now I feel like, and then the next day it was more. And 4 days later, it's like this. So I was like, I've been very pleased with the results. I want to share that with you. So if that's something that you want to try, definitely you're in good hands. If thinning hair has been bothering you, if you feel self-conscious, if you feel that you cannot go to the next level because of your hair, which is so important, it sounds so vain, but it's crucial, and what it does to our emotions, what it does to our self-image, it's just crazy. When people start to lose that hair, they feel that they're losing their identity, they feel not attractive, and it kind of takes a toll inside of you. I want to invite you, I want that you take, again, initiative, be proactive about it, start to make those changes. Don't wait too long, because you matter. So please let me know in the comments below how your journey has been, if this is something that is bothering you, or if you have any questions or concerns. I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, my icons, mwah, love you all so much. I will see you on my next video, my next episode. Keep watching the Georgie Miller Show. It is such an amazing content that I'm so proud of, and I know that it's touching several lives for the better, and that for me, it means the world. All right, everyone, have an amazing day and stay icon. Mwah. Take care.